Hey everyone, I wanted to talk about SoundHound AI and the great partnerships the company is making with some big name firms, including Nvidia and Stellantis. I'll go into a little bit greater detail on several of its partnerships, why that's likely to persist, and the value SoundHound AI adds. So let's get into the details.
I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.
All right, so in its latest quarterly conference call, SoundHound discussed its Pillar 1, where they power products such as cars, TVs, and Internet of Things devices. And since SoundHound AI does not manufacture those devices, it needs to partner with those original equipment manufacturers. For cars, it needs to partner with companies like Stellantis, which I'll talk about a little bit later. And for TVs, it needs to partner with big names in TV manufacturing, including perhaps one of the newer entrants, Roku. So it needs to make these relationships and it needs to deliver value to their partners because in most cases, SoundHound AI is going to be the smaller company given its small scale. And so it needs to deliver value and expand. And therefore, after a while, it can perhaps reach a scale where it has more negotiating power and the sales come more easily. So in this quarter, they reached an annual run rate of over 4 billion queries and growth of more than 60% year over year. Last year, they announced SoundHound Chat AI, which combines the power of large language models with their AI assistants. So, this is the underlying technology that partners are attracted to. This is what, because it makes their TVs, their cars, and other Internet of Things devices more attractive for their customers. And so that's what SoundHound AI is providing. That's the value SoundHound AI is providing. And it's no surprise that the stock price is up 15.78% in the last 5 days alone. SoundHound AI stock had lost some of the momentum it gained early in 2024 when the price was up nearly 300%. It's still up considerably for the year, but not as much as it was at the peak. And so now, following the latest earnings release, it's regaining momentum, and that's great news for SoundHound AI stock investors. So, moving on, the company said it signed a deal with Alfa Romeo and Lancia, and it went into live production with Stellantis vehicles in Japan. A deal they won last quarter with a prominent US EV maker will voice enable their full fleet of market leading vehicles later this summer, and they're going to go from signing to production in a matter of months. Now, that capability to go from signing to production in a matter of months is a unique capability and one that partners will value. They will like the fact that SoundHound AI can get in quickly and get into their latest technology, whatever that device might be, whether it's a car, a TV, or maybe a smart remote controller, maybe a smart refrigerator, whatever it might be. If it can get in there quickly, that will help in manufacturing, that will help in innovation for their partners, and demonstrating this skill will be one more thing in SoundHound AI's favor when entering negotiations for trying to secure new deals. Of course, the biggest deal of all when you're dealing in artificial intelligence is Nvidia, and that's where SoundHound AI initially gained momentum was because of Nvidia's strategic investment in SoundHound AI stock. Now, in the latest GTC conference, they announced a collaboration with Nvidia. The solution they're partnering with combines SoundHound Chat AI with large language models running in vehicle on NVIDIA Drive for seamless voice interaction. So that's a big step forward if NVIDIA is trusting SoundHound AI with this technology and partnering with SoundHound AI in this technology. And given the strong demand NVIDIA has with its partners, that's great news for SoundHound. That's a tailwind for SoundHound because NVIDIA's relationships with its partners are extremely good. Nvidia said that they have more demand than they have supply. So Nvidia is selling out almost as soon as they bring supply, it's already spoken for. And if Nvidia is partnering with SoundHound, Nvidia can lift SoundHound up along with it and generate that positive tailwind from Nvidia. So that was great news for SoundHound AI. SoundHound also has a partnership with Perplexity, which brings cutting edge online large language models to SoundHound's Chat AI. SoundHound Chat AI will leverage Perplexity to provide up-to-date responses to web-based queries that it wouldn't be able to do with some of these large language models that are offline. So that will deliver connectivity and a unique capability on top of what SoundHound AI already has to offer. So lots of big partnerships here for SoundHound AI, and they've been making solid steps forward in executing on these deals. I've already seen evidence from its current partners where SoundHound AI signs a smaller deal for, let's say, 10 locations, and then they expand to 50 and 100 locations. So SoundHound is executing on these deals. Now, the one concern I have with all of these relationships and all of these deals that SoundHound AI is signing are the terms of the deal. What are the terms of the deal? What is SoundHound AI getting in return for this partnership? What is SoundHound AI getting in return for offering its service to some of these big names? Oftentimes, smaller companies like SoundHound AI will be quick to sign these contracts with big name companies and accept whatever terms that big name company offers, even if that means the company like SoundHound AI will be serving that client at a loss. They will go ahead and accept those terms because they hope to expand with that company and benefit from being in relationship with that company and try and make money later on down the line. And so some of these big deals initially might come at a loss, and SoundHound AI hasn't really provided that detail to investors. So that's me just speculating on this based on the lack of detail. And when you look at SoundHound AI's financial statements, they are losing significant sums on the bottom line, more than twice as much revenue they're generating, they're losing on the bottom line. So that leads me to believe the current deals are not structured in a way that's profitable for SoundHound AI. But that doesn't necessarily mean it's not smart. It might be smart to get in the door and then expand as SoundHound AI has been doing. And then maybe 12 months later, 24 months later, when you've earned the trust of that partner, you can renegotiate and get better terms. So strong partnerships from SoundHound AI. The only question mark is, like I mentioned, the terms of these deals. How is SoundHound AI going to benefit financially from these arrangements? Thank you for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. I know there's a lot you could be doing with your time and a lot of other videos you could be watching. So I truly appreciate that you chose to watch this one. If you want to see more videos just like this, hit the subscribe or the like button. They'll both help me make more videos just like this one. Thank you again.